Trade Confident family, how is everyone doing today? My name is Jake and I'm here to bring you your daily crypto insights. Starting off the week right, we see Bitcoin has broken out of the symmetrical triangle pattern and is moving towards the upside, and today actually broke $72,000 once again. Major moves up after we saw price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low with that buy signal. Fantastic to see. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about where I think Bitcoin is heading next over the next few days. There's going to be some news and analysis in this video, so stay tuned. And as we head to the home page, you're going to see we're 169 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades, the highest win percentage on YouTube so far. We have future forecast videos, members only content there coming out for you tomorrow. And of course, we're going to provide you with as much analysis as possible. Starting that out today, we're going to head down to the Bitcoin metrics, starting with the emotional index here. We're looking at neutral territory for Bitcoin. To me, this just means a bullish continuation. The price is likely to continue upwards until we see a reading in excited or greedy territory, just as we saw right here. Got moves down. Greedy territory saw a little bit of a move up before the drop. Greedy moved down. Excited moved down. Very consistent results from this, so we need to watch out. Be greedy when others are fearful. Be fearful when others are greedy. Next up, I want to talk to you about the Bitcoin whale smart money metric. Unfortunately, we are starting to see some short trade sentiment amongst whales. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if whales begin shorting, we should be seeing moves down soon. But keep in mind, it's not until we see a value of between negative 600 and negative 800 that we're seeing those drops. So a little bit of upside movement is possible, but not for long, guys. We got to be careful. As we look at the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart, we're seeing whales have actually significantly dropped their holdings at this point. If whale money continues dropping, this is where I think we're going to see drops in price. But more realistically, what you're likely to see at this point is as soon as price touches this previous resistance, now support, whale money is likely to begin moving back into the market. And as we begin topping out, then and only then will we see drops. But as whale money moves up, the price should move up too. So keep a close eye on that. And last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin trade signals chart. Buy signal called a perfect move up. Great call from the TC top and bottom finder. We're getting very consistent signals here with sell signals as well. Drops are happening after every single one. So if we get another sell signal, we need to be careful because a drop is likely incoming from that point. Now, if you trade Bitcoin, you need to be paying close attention to these metrics posted every single weekday at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. As a member, you can join us for our future forecast videos every Tuesday and Friday. You'll see new trade setups, and you can check out our active trade setups right now and many more benefits. If you want to join us, links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Membership is the first link. Click that and it's going to bring you to our membership page. Guys, hurry. Price increases to $65 a month are coming April 20th, just a day or two after the halving event. Snag it now because $59 a month members will be grandfathered in at no increase per month. Go ahead and scroll down, click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Before we dive into the live charts, a couple things. The Bitcoin halving countdown here shows that the estimated halving event will be April 18th, 2024 at around 10 o'clock UTC. This is very exciting to see. We have 9 days left. Guys, you're about to see history in the making. Next couple of weeks will be huge for Bitcoin. And as this happens, we've already pushed above an all-time high, as you can see here. And once we hit that all-time high again, it is smooth sailing upwards from there. Next, really quick, something we still need to pay close attention to. The government has not yet sold this $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. They're still working at it, and I want to talk to you about when this is likely to happen. From this article back in March 2023, the US government sold $216 million worth of Silk Road Bitcoin on March 14th, but the sale originally was announced on March 9th. So this is about 5 days after announcement that the sale happened. We are now on day 6 and the sale has yet to happen. You'll either see an exit Right here, it'll be a value in red, or you'll see the name of this wallet transfer to a different name. Depending on how they decide to transfer the Bitcoin, you're going to see a change in this wallet at some point. And while it likely won't directly affect the price of Bitcoin, it's highly likely that fear, uncertainty, and doubt will grip the market as news articles come out that $2 billion worth of Bitcoin has just been sold. People are going to freak out. The price may drop a little bit, but guys, we are not worried. With the halving event back here, again, 9 days from now, at least an estimate, historically, we've seen insane moves to the upside, and this is simple economics. It is supply and demand. The halving event means that Bitcoin's rewards will be cut in half with ETFs buying like crazy. We're talking in the tens of thousands of Bitcoin a day, with only 450 being created on a daily basis. This is going to cause another supply crunch. It's happened every single time previously. We've gotten a halving event, and it's going to happen again. This is why we at Trade Confident are not worried. So day-to-day fluctuations, we're not worried about it. And if we see crazy volatility, which is highly likely, especially if the government ends up selling that Bitcoin before the halving event, it just becomes an opportunity to buy. In fact, Trade Confident bought right around this candle, and you can see we're already in profit. Guys, let me actually be clear. In the last 24 hours from this move up alone, the Trade Confident account is up over $40,000. Absolutely crazy. We get a lot of requests to actually show our crypto balance. You can see right here, we're nearly at $1 million. Very exciting. $469,500 in profit over our all-time trading record. And the way we're doing this is just using these indicators. We're buying when we see price versus while money flow low and trades in favor low, ideally in the long trade zone, between 75 and 100 chance of a pump. Currently, we have 52% chance of a drop. Price versus while money flow is in the middle of its chart. This is showing a neutral pattern, but as the price increases, we're coming from a bottom. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low buy signal, most often is going to see moves up just as we've seen today. What we're expecting to happen here is whale money to continue moving into the market at least for a short time until we test resistance at the all-time high at $73,709.99. Honestly, just call that a $73,710 even. From there, what we're likely to see is a drop in retest of previous resistance before we bounce upwards. This is very, very common, guys. Almost every single time you see a breakout of a pattern, you're going to see a retest of the structure that it broke, and followed by a massive move in the continued direction. So a continued move over the next week or so is what we're looking for, especially as we get closer and closer to the halving event. Guys, again, we are not worried. Price fluctuation, price volatility is likely to go crazy as we approach the halving event, especially as retailers and whale traders alike anticipate the supply shock. And again, we're not worried. I'm not going to be calling any crazy moves down at this point. In fact, let's actually delete these structure supports right here, just keeping our current two structures. If we see in the next 9 days, whale money low, if we see trades in favor low, and if we see a buy signal, if we see this combination right here, even if it's just the price versus while money flow and trades in favor low, this is a buy opportunity for Trade Confident. We'll let everyone know in our Telegram page and on our website if we decide to buy, but we are not selling until well into the halving event. And if something changes, of course, we'll keep everyone updated, but this is Trade Confident's plan so far. Again, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal is what we're looking for, and this does not let us down, guys. Big moves are coming for Bitcoin. Strap in because the halving event is going to take off like crazy. I'm easily betting we're going to hit over $100,000 in no time. Guys, as this plays out, you're going to want to snag these indicators as soon as possible. They are responsible for our 169 win, 0 loss win rate, the highest rate on YouTube so far in the last 13 months. I can help you snag these indicators for up to $550 off right now. Don't miss out. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Indicators are the second link. Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Your first $150 off here, and when you get to the checkout page, it's going to offer you a $400 off coupon for the TC Top and Bottom Finder, giving you that full $550 off. Do not miss out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I am so excited for the Halving event coming up. We're going to be watching right there with you. Don't miss out.